You are now listening to the number one podcast in Sabah.
Kinabalu Podcast.
I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one to stop me. Praise be to Allah.
Coming to you live from Sabah. This is Kinabalu Podcast.
Baik, podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh M3N Tenaga Gaya dan keyakinan M3N dapat memberikan anda tenaga ekstra sepanjang hari, membantu meningkatkan kualiti tidur dengan menyokong tahap hormon lelaki yang sihat.
M3N hanya RM85 sahaja sebotol.
Ya.
Dapatkan diskaun sebanyak RM5 setiap pembelian yang menggunakan kod Kinabalu semasa check out di website dan di WhatsApp.
Alright.
Layari laman web mereka di www.myluster.com.my untuk membeli sekarang. Ikuti mereka di FB atau IG @m3n.kuasa. Order juga melalui WhatsApp di 017-512-3401. Saya ulangi, 017-512-3401.
Now let's pankis. Kihoy.
Listen up, it's time to get the word out. Cannabolic Podcast is what it's about. Hear the stories, hear the beats. Listen to the podcast, it's sure to please. Cannabolic Podcast is the one to hear. It's full of stories, music, and cheer. So turn it up and listen loud. This podcast is sure to make you proud. It's the hottest podcast around. It's sure to make your feet move to the sound. It's the perfect way to pass the time. So turn it up and get in the groove and rhyme. Cannabolic Podcast is the one to hear. It's full of stories, music, and cheer. So turn it up and listen loud. This podcast is sure to make you proud. The stories are inspiring and the music is great. It's sure to make you stay up late. So don't be shy and check it out. This podcast is sure to make you shine. Cannabolic Podcast is the one to hear.
Baik, podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh, sekali lagi aku sebut kira. So what are people say, Ricardo?
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.
Legit.
Pertama kali kini kita di episod yang terkini daripada Kinabalu Podcast. Thank you very much for staying tuned with us.
Yeah.
The last episode kita banyak cerita pasal sharing on what happened to my house.
Yeah, man.
I mean the chronology lah kira.
Timeline lah.
Ya, timeline. Kita kembali di season 12 episod yang ke-9.
Yep, 9.
Yes, on the 9th. And banyak orang bertanya tentang apakah sudah kesudahan ataupun sambungan atau kesinambungan terhadap rumah aku. Rumah aku sama Ned lah.
Yeah.
Basically after we arrive, the house is gone. Memang tiada rumah sudah. So update kami sekarang, we stay in one of these staycay ataupun bukan staycay yang mewah, biasa-biasa saja. We gonna need 200 per day.
Yeah.
Because ada my in-laws masih di sini, so we cannot go back to the kira mama bapa punya rumah, the rumah agam lah orang panggil sini
Ya,
kan.
rumah agam lah.
So belum balik sana, but we will be staying there this Sunday because my in-laws masih ada di sini. Dan bila diorang balik ke Tawau, barulah kami akan balik ke the rumah agam tu lah.
I see.
Sementara itu kami sedang mencari rental ataupun rumah sewa. So far ada yang beberapa yang kami sudah tengok, ada yang macam mengam, ada yang macam tidak ngam, ada yang backstory and many more lah. So all to take consideration lah.
Yeah, your size of the family and all that.
Yes.
Dan dia di mana, semestinya
Yes.
mau dekat dengan tempat kerja lah.
Yeah. Dekat tempat kerja, and also dekat dengan rumah yang terbakar tu, because I need to start doing all those, kasih project tu rumah lah.
Kasi rebuild lah.
Rebuild the house. First and foremost, of course, to gather all the debris, so kasih clean all the, malas saya mau cakap ni, burned area lah atau black area lah. So actually banyak yang memang kira 90% lah itu total loss lah, tiada yang tinggal,
Gone, man.
gone. And also I've just baru saya dapat quote dia kemarin. The apa ni, saya punya contractor minta 4,000 untuk clear saja.
4,000 to clear all the debris.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Sebab mau pecah tu lantai, and also the spandex ataupun the atap dia tu kan, dia nak boleh main buka saja mesti mau unscrew juga.
Ya, betul.
And it's very dangerous juga because sudah bukan stronghold, sudah dia punya framing and all.
Ya. Nanti orang pergi bawah, jatuh lagi, palis-palis. Be careful lah.
Yeah. So and also we are, orang bilang in midst of looking for rental house, so that we can start beli barang balik untuk the rumah lah. Sebab nanti kalau siap tu rumah, barang-barang angkat saja lah, tinggal pindah angkat saja lah.
Yeah,
so meaning to say, even rental house I'm gonna fulfill, tidaklah bilang sepenuhnya, tapi at least ada basic necessity yang penting lah. Washing machine, you know,
Rice cooker, masak,
water dispenser, apa ni, kuku apa panggil? Penapis air. Because kita dah masak air juga kan sekarang, kebanyakannya memang
automated.
Buat air panas ada, air sejuk ada, begitu kan.
Ya, betul.
Especially di Sabah lah, because kami lack of good quality of water to cook.
Iya.
Dia rasa lain kalau kena masakan.
Dia macam lebih banyak klorin lah.
Probably.
Kadang-kadang rasa lumpur.
So better kan. Memang sini Sabah ada culture memang pakai penapis air lah.
Yeah.
Bukan to riak or what.
Yeah,
what sort. Okay. That is my update lah. And for those of you, saya mau say thank you one more time. Yang OLG Fest, itu saya sudah cakap last episode, tapi I'm gonna say it again. Saya after the OLG Fest pun masih ramai ya, and I'm so thankful. Saya tidak dapat mention nama terlalu banyak, almost every day.
You know who you are.
Ya, siapa yang dengar ni, kamu tahu siapa kamu yang datang, pergi bank in, pay now, ada yang sampul, yang jumpa, ada yang cash on, just like that. Saya I cannot mention any names sebab banyak, too many, with beautiful thoughts pun ada juga, you know, beautiful code words and everything on a card.
Yeah, so sweet guys.
Yeah, datang and support.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So update saya sekarang adalah saya tengah mencari rental house, supaya kami boleh all together, you know, rebuild the system balik. Kira sistem kena reset lah ni.
Clean slate.
A problem sebab for the past 9 years ada sistem sudah kan.
Betul.
So, kira kau sistem semua pun lain, or the route pun jadi lain.
Rutin kau di rumah
is different. So the rental nanti I'm gonna buy whatever stuff needed, yang necessities. And kalau saya nasihatnya juga, I said if you want to buy yang bagus saja terus. Even though it's temporary punya house. Because nanti pindah angkat je lah.
Bawa di sana juga. Long term use juga.
Kalau beli aircon ke apa pun, because weather here is very hot, memang perlu aircon.
It's too hot here, man. Terlampau panas.
Kalau orang bilang beli yang bagus saja, nanti buka balik and pindah saja lah.
Betul.
Like that lah.
Betul. At least for now you have a comfortable place to stay. Until you have a permanent house. True that.
And tapi itulah, my concern, yang saya paling risau sebenarnya adalah kalau saya terlalu selesa. Because nanti saya kasih lambat pembikinan semula my house bah.
Right.
I'm worried about that jugalah. Tersistem sudah, you know. And then mau buat reset balik sih, tapi for the good lah, for the better lah.
But I think after that kan you'll be very excited to move into a new house.
Of course, yeah.
Memang excited tu.
Well, I really hope I can finish the house juga. Faizal ada datang semalam pergi rumah. Our old friend, our old podcaster juga last time. So dia ada datang pergi rumah and give a visit tadi. So lama juga kami cerita. Dia bilang kau bagilah dalam 8 to 1 year, 8 months to 1 year untuk kau finish the house. So I think that is my, orang bilang timeline juga.
Time frame lah.
Time frame. So the rumah previously pun is not fast juga saya buat. Actually the first punya structure is almost 5 years saya buat. Slowly and steady. So I never do a loan that time.
I see.
I don't do any house loan ataupun apa-apa. Memang duit sendiri. And then the second structure tu took about probably 1 year juga. 6 to 1 year lah, 6 months to 1 year.
The extension ke?
Yeah, the extension. So I'm aiming it's gonna be 1 year at least lah. So tinggal di rumah tu, membayari rumah sewa itu dalam setahun lah. Another payment to, orang bilang commitment to put on lah.
Kira before this you've never rented a house, you already had.
Yeah. Because masa bujang stay in parents' house, and then kahwin, I build a house, pindah. Nggak biasa dengan rumah sewa sebenarnya.
Bukan macam riak lah. Not to say it's not good.
Tidak.
It's just when you are not bukan satu benda yang kau buat, you're out of your comfort zone. man.
Tidak vibe. And apa ni orang bilang, bukan apa, we are a loud family lah, to be frank.
Yes, I can concur to that. They are quite loud.
Yeah. And
memang meriah lah you guys.
Ya, kau datang tambah bising lah orang bilang kan. Maybe podcast, tapi kita in the studio lah. But whatever we do, barbecuing or karaokeing pun memang, we never care last time because
barangnya
because there's nobody around, right?
Yeah, man.
So sekarang very new system lah.
Yeah, good times. And you guys will definitely go back to that. Memang okay ya.
Yeah, so special thank you lah to everybody yang ada wish me on DMs, ada yang personally knows my number, ada juga WhatsApp, and ada yang call juga, which is I cannot macam layan too much juga because saya pun tengah sangat-sangat down.
Boleh sebab juga kan.
And to be frank, I'm at loss sebenarnya masih. Saya sama Net, kami kadang-kadang try to make it happy and fun and cover it up, but deep down inside memang kami really a very solemn state lah.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because you got no house, man.
Yeah, man. And I've received a few DMs juga from our friends. They were asking how's Ricardo doing, how's Ned doing. I think I got a few lah, macam Mizan,
Okay.
Barry, macam dirang si Jenny. Thank you guys for asking, and they are trying to cope with anything lah. That is coming their way lah.
Well, yeah.
On survival mode lah kira kau sekarang. Yeah.
Yes, of course. But I'm very try to put as optimist as I can. I try to be as optimist as I can, as positive as I can, and orang bilang support kamu punya words and quote and thought about me and Ned sangat-sangat orang bilang membuatkan saya lebih orang bilang bersemangat untuk carry on to the next day, to the next day, and to the next day lah.
Yeah, it keeps you alive, man.
Yeah.
Guys, keep it coming, man.
Yeah.
Keep it coming, your wishes. We appreciate them so much.
So some little bit more inputs on OLG Fest. Memang it's a solemn, not to say solemn, because ramai yang datang apa semua. Tapi it's a successful event. I have to say OLG made it lah. They made it lah.
Congratulations, OLG.
Congratulations to OLG.
Please do it again.
Ya, banyak vendors yang saya dengar daripada kawan-kawan yang ada booth. Semua yang macam, dorang ni bukan listeners tau. Ada some of them, many of them actually not listeners, tapi memang yang vendor craver ataupun apa ni, yang pencari vendor, pencari expo ni, apa nama dia?
Vendor finders.
Vendor seekers.
Vendor seekers. There's a term.
Yeah. So dia memang dorang punya business adalah online and also cari expo. So ada expo atau bazar, dia kena join in lah. And dorang punya feedback to I think hopefully they turn into listeners lah right after. Because dorang bilang, apa OLG Fest tu siapa tu, dorang kan they just gonna go, they try, and dorang bilang gila babi OLG punya depth of tu crowd is very different.
Yeah, now they know.
Ada yang macam orang bilang the whole 3 days 80% of their sales of their target semua reached, and dorang bilang gila babi lah. Memang we never out of all bazaar, dan dorang bilang 10 years of experience tidak pernah dorang dapat begini punya reach in a bazaar, but dorang ini kali OLG Fest memang sold out lah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a bizarre result in a bazaar.
Kira
main words lah,
main dengan berkata-kata dan rhyme lah kan.
Yeah. Well, congratulations to all the vendors of OLG Fest. Hoping OLG will be doing it again lah.
Yeah. Berdiri challenge was there. I was there, experience it. It is like wow. It is for me macam surreal juga yang we made it. Kinabalu podcast made it, even though in a very solemn state lah orang bilang kan.
Yeah.
sympathy state lah kan tu juga.
Sympathy state lah. Oh ya.
Yalah, because orang want to support and all kan. Saya dah tahu macam mana mau cakap. I cannot mention many because too many. Banking ada, PayNow ada yang cash, ada yang sampul surat and everything. Oh man, you guys are the best man. Saya personally, saya sama Net personally macam dah tahu macam mana mau balas jasa dorang. Apa yang kami boleh buat adalah doakan kamu yang terbaik lah, yang terbaik untuk kamu dunia dan akhirat lah.
Wow.
Ya, mudahkan apa juga urusan kamu, melancarkan apa juga urusan kamu. Dalam kamu susah jangan risau. Doa-doa saya sama Net ni memang mengiringi kamu lah.
Wow.
Itu.
Wow. And from me, best of luck in everything. And to all the people out there that supports us and Ricardo and Net as a family, thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Yes. Thank you so much. And also we gain many followers. Probably many listeners juga, hopefully.
Yeah.
If you guys can track back, you guys can have a listen to many of our episodes. Probably our lingo is different, but I'm sure you guys can understand. We do have a lot of Singapore listeners actually. Memang yang dengar sama kita lah. Not to mention any name lah.
Kita kan geng-geng Nusantara. So
sudahlah pakai Nusantara atau come on lah. Nusantara, siapa itu Nusantara sebenarnya?
Kita lah.
Apa?
Kira-kira tidak tahu definisi pakai je lah.
Well, Nusantara adalah yang culture dan orang bilang culture and also perwatakan yang hampir sama.
Kira kau explain lah.
I'm gonna explain to you. For example, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, and Philippines. Ni kira Nusantara yang sama lah.
Tapi Philippines kita tidak.
Okay lah, tolak Philippines lah, but iyalah this Nusantara yang inilah.
Inang nang.
Wag nang siguradong butterfly.
Oh yeah.
Yang andai siya sigurado. Hindi na, kunti lang na.
Okay, I lost you.
Okay. Saya sebut apa yang saya tahu saya tiada makna. So itulah update saya dan juga Net. Kami tengah mencari rental house dan juga mencari semangat semula. We are at, orang bilang on the air, masih menerawang mencari semangat balik. Memang macam kamu nampak happy, nampak di gambar ataupun dari suara ini pun nampak macam okay. But to be frank, saya once in a while memang saya akan terduduk yang terdiam dan berfikir, teringat balik and all.
Sampai jumpa orang pun kadang-kadang macam.
Bukan kadang-kadang, I don't want to see people, to be frank. I just don't want to be too depressed juga, because depressed can lead to something really worse kan.
No, don't go there.
I don't want to go there. Memang stressful. And also banyak yang datang juga jumpa saya personally. Banyak, ada yang a few nights ago ada orang datang bagi baju, berkarung-karung baju. Thank you so much. But of course I appreciate it very much, but probably I cannot wear all of them juga. Satu bukan dari segi sizes kan, and also mana yang kami dapat kami guna. No worries man.
One of our guests juga kan yang shout out to you man. You know who you are. So once again saya ingin mengucapkan thank you so much Singapore, Malaysia, Sabah. Thank you very much America as well. Thank you Sarawak as well.
Probably kamu mau tahu apa yang survive lah. Apa yang survive daripada kebakaran itu adalah nyawa, itu paling penting lah.
Yes, definitely.
My in-laws, my parents-in-law dua-dua ada sana, and my son ada sana. So dorong selamat, alhamdulillah. Dorong yang betul-betul sehelai sepinggang lah. Kami ada luggage lagi. Bawa pergi Singapore. Dorong habis. Dorong sehelai sepinggan lah juga. Because pinggan pun tak selamat sebenarnya.
Itulah. Tapi nasib pada keren.
So yang selamat adalah 3 of my vehicles, 1 bike. Actually tu bike pun tiada aku dapat jumpa kunci tu. Dorang heret dan angkat the bike, my cafe racer.
The next day kami jumpa kunci itu.
Kamu jumpa kunci, which is tiada sudah dia punya tombol kunci lah. Apa holder tiada sudah lah. The head of the key tiada sudah, tinggal batang besi dia lagi lah. Tapi boleh start lah.
It starts man.
Startable lah.
Some happiness in there lah. As in boleh start lah.
Ya.
Kalau enggak terpaksa kau cari pembuat kunci lagi.
Ya
pergi
masalah
bikin.
lagi. Nggak payah
Ya.
buat kunci, tukar saja starter lah.
Oh ya gitu. Saya bukan bawa motor.
Mau kereta pun boleh tukar starter, what?
It's hard lah.
No lah, tukar the whole biji.
Oh thing. Oh leceh man.
Bukan kalau buat tukar seluruh yang profesional tukar. Kau-
Yalah.
Saya tahu lah kau handy. Itu pun
Duit
kau mau
lagi.
Yalah duit lagi. Tapi ya thank you
Yalah.
very much sebab kau pun tolong cari yang berharga the next day kan. You went to the
Yeah.
to the
ground zero.
to the ground zero lah and find banyak juga benda yang
Yeah.
So-
and one more thing survive and I will fix it. The stand for the equipment.
studio ya.
Kira if you build it from lori punya frame dia survive lah.
So should we make a house from a lorry punya frame?
No. You container lah. Container house.
Tapi itulah the heat was very hot.
It's extreme.
Yeah.
The glass
Bayangkan glass melted man.
Yeah. Aluminium gone.
Aluminium memang gone.
Evaporated.
Imagine kau besi untuk pegang the ceiling is melted.
Yeah.
Dia sudah bingkok macam tangan sotong.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it. Tangan sotong ataupun tangan yang orang berlembut lah. Lelaki yang lembut lah punya tangan lah. Dia gitu lembut dia. Itu biasa.
Kalau kau pergi jentik tu dia akan gitu lah kalian.
Enggak, dia akan
Bodoh.
yeah. So
Sialah.
yeah. Always very sad to whenever I go there. Yesterday saya dah pergi, and then we went to buy I bought a
Metal
metal
detector.
detector with Japrik. Kami pergi ambil. And apparently the person that we bought with adalah orang Sabah. Yang jual tu actually orang Sabah.
Alamak.
A Chinese dude from Sandakan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dia menjual sana.
Dia bukan menjual, dia memang ada. Saya pun dah tahu apa dia buat tu di Singapura. Dia mungkin mau cari emas kali, I don't know.
Oh.
So why I bought metal detector?
Okay.
Because of mau cari ada gelang emas net, ada macam cincin emas, and my dad punya late father punya emas putih.
I see.
Yang betul-betul very, bagi saya value dia bukan the nilai emas, tapi nilai because to my father yang bagi.
Yes. It's
My
the
late father.
memories.
Yeah.
It's the memories, man.
Actually banyak sana. My cassette, original cassette my dad yang kami jumpa, yang kami beli from sana gone.
Oh no.
Original cassette of my dad, late father. Kesilapan saya lah.
Yeah.
Sebab patut saya bagi Johan masa dia balik. Saya terlupa betul mau bagi dia. My niat memang mau bagi dia. Tapi saya terlupa.
But luckily the digital recording is still around.
Of course the digital is on Spotify.
But it's the hard thing, you know, the cassette.
Iya, yang
itself
kena simpan daripada tahun 81.
Alamak.
Ya, 1981.
Yeah.
So I don't know siapa lagi ada pinggang yang yang orang preserve sebaik itu. So shout out to Mr. Spencer, Homan Spencer.
Yeah.
Daripada what is that? Tenggilan.
We can put it out there, you know, like saying if anyone have the copy macam gitu.
Oh, I don't think so, man.
Mana
I
tahu.
don't think so. But yeah, we can try.
We can try, you know. Kalau ada, wah.
Actually, ada album di sana. One box of album actually yang daripada US, dari kami kecil apa semua sana gone juga.
Oh no, the vinyls kah? Oh, you mean the gambar.
Gambar album
Oh man.
gone.
Oh man.
Which is memories yang masa kami di US, masa kami kecil-kecil, membesarin all di sana.
Oh dear.
What I've lost lagi, all the cap collections, all my shoes collections, and my figurine collections.
Alamak.
Semua gone. Dragon Ball, apa semua yang saya simpan tu,
Yeah.
it's all gone and
Demon
melted
Slayer lagi, I
all the
remember.
way.
All gone.
All gone. So saya dah sempat pun put it in the studio. Saya patut mau kasih taruh dia, kasih LED lights and everything.
Yeah.
And our background gonna be so awesome doing a podcast there.
That was the plan, man.
Ya, tapi tidak terjadi dan tidak berlaku lah.
And your saxophones, man.
Yeah, two of my saxophones, which is a tenor saxophone and alto saxophone.
Yeah.
And I yang betul-betul saya sayang tenor saxophone lah, because it's a Selmer, is a limited edition Selmer.
How is it a limited edition?
Because dia ada buat I think 3,000 sejak ada di dia punya production.
Okay.
I'm holding the 2000 something punya series. berharga lebih kurang $7,000 lah
Oh my god, if you
dekat
got
dia. The last time I check lah.
Okay.
So dalam 30,000 juga kali tu lah.
Oh my
dalam ringgit Malaysia.
Oh my goodness.
My Altosex is around 6,000 ringgit juga. Quite pricey juga. Macam mana semua ingat semua PlayStation sana 3 biji TV.
Oh no.
Yang big TVs.
Yeah.
All my collections of my DVDs punya PlayStation are gone. Basically all gone lah. Susah lah mau cari semua.
Yeah, betul.
Tapi all gone. Video kahwin pun sana, DVD kahwin, I don't know. I save it in the hard disk.
Okay.
Tapi the hard disk pun also gone.
Alamak.
Yeah, I got 6 hard disk. 6 of the hard disk semua burn and gone lah. Terbakar all the way.
Basically gone lah.
Yeah.
Everything.
Memang everything is, itulah saya betul-betul zero lah. Luckily Abang Osman bagi this console juga. Shout out to Abang Osman.
Shout out to you,
So
bang.
we can keep on continuing this doing podcast. And
thanks for the kata-kata semangat.
Yeah, yeah.
Dia bilang never stop podcasting kan.
yeah, you are great. You guys are great. Dia bilang don't stop doing content. Don't stop doing podcast.
We won't stop, abang.
Yeah.
We will do it consistently.
And of course, we're gonna take a short break. We'll be right back after this. Saya mau cerita pasal Malaysia Expo right after this.
Okay.
And what's happening and what happened during the trip there and all.
Yep.
We're gonna talk right after this.
For sure you won't want to miss this.
Ya. Dan of course podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh M3N Tenaga Gaya dan Keyakinan. M3N dapat memberikan anda tenaga ekstra sepanjang hari, membantu meningkatkan kualiti tidur dengan menyokong tahap hormon lelaki yang sihat.
M3N hanya RM85 sahaja sebotol. Dapatkan diskaun sebanyak RM5 setiap pembelian dengan menggunakan kod kami iaitu Kinabalu semasa check out di website dan di WhatsApp.
Ya.
Layari laman web mereka di www.myluster.com.my untuk membeli sekarang, guys.
Now.
Ya, ikuti juga mereka di FB atau IG @m3n.kuasa dan order melalui WhatsApp di 017-512-3401. Saya ulangi 017-512-3401.
Jangan ke mana-mana. Kita akan kembali selepas ini.
Hi, I'm Mr. Beast. You are listening to the #1 podcast in Sabah, Kinabalu Podcast.